Slime Lab video. And before we start this video, we wanted to give a big shout out to Barbie.
Because this video is called
Princess and the Popstar. And it's a Barbie movie.
Yeah, and we love it. We've watched it like 100 times.
More than 100, probably. And we own it as well.
And after this video, we're going to watch it. It's a DVD. Yeah. Try and find it at Walmart. Any store. Try and find it at Walmart close to you. Or far. Just go to Walmart.
Okay. And now we're going to start the video. I am the Popstar because I have purple.
And I'm the princess because I have pink. But I'm also a party princess.
A party princess. And I'm a metallic. My guitar's metallic. Okay, so go!
And my dress is party-ish. Squeeze.
Oh, I love that song. So satisfying.
I love the color of pink. Pink's my favorite color. And glitter! Hey, glitter's a color.
Trying to get as much as I can out.
Oh, and we have come-up videos, but we're not telling you because they're surprises.
One of them is really cool and we've never done it before.
Yeah. How much do I add at this?
1 of your spoons. Oh, wrong side. Okay.
Wait, this is
so we have to add these one at a time. My slime will be super pretty. Starting to turn metallic.
Mine will be super fun. Look at all this fun.
Ew, that's so weird.
Yours is pretty. Mine smells good.
You're kidding me. It does?
It's scent.
No, it doesn't smell like it in my opinion.
Mine's turning into slime. Oh, it's still glue.
Yeah, mine is still gloopy.
I need some water.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the water. I might be missing that. I need a little bit of this.
And a little bit of my, and a little bit more.
Oops. Come on, water. Mix in. Mix in. Mix in. Mix in. Come on. Mix in. Water. Mix in. It won't mix in. The water will not mix in. This looks so pretty. Look at my hands, so sparkly.
And a mix.
Come on, get in there. Putting a lot of that because it's not activating too quickly. Whoa. That's become slime. Which I'm really, really happy about.
Wow! This must be my favorite slime.
It smells like Oreos. I don't know why though.
Let me smell yours.
No, it doesn't. In your opinion, does it?
It does. It actually does.
The after does.
Mine started to smell like birthday cake after. You smell it?
No. Yes, become more metallic-y and slimy. Should I go in with my second hand, guys? I'm not. Because then I get the bottle all messy.
This is science. Slime is science. So you can mix it up.
Whoa, mine is so pretty. I love this like violet-y color.
I need to drain some of my water. Do you want some?
No, I'm good. I'm Gucci.
I got
got my hair dyed green. I got my hair dyed pink, but it doesn't really show up. Whoops, I went with... Ambreen, can you please? What? I'm adding it into mine. Ah, come on. Why won't this activate? I need double mixing power!
We're mixing things?
I'm gonna die when we're making them. Oh, this sounds so nice. This is gonna be super fluffy.
Mine feels so satisfying. Hey, how about we add a little bit of each other's of this into ours? Yours will feel really satisfying.
Glue Wispies!
Guys, quiet. Ambreen, stop. Quiet. Guys, listen. Oh, if you haven't seen our snow video, we used magic liquid. And subscribe to every one of our videos. And don't forget, it's called Sister Kingdom Corner. You can press a K and space and with an S. Then you might find Sister Kingdom Corner. And maybe a C. And space. Maybe a C. Sister! Quiet! Ambreen, can you please be quiet?
I'm trying to get this off my hands.
Hey, mine is not sticky.
Can you like pour some of yours in mine?
No.
What? Mine is so sticky.
Mine's so stretchy. Mine's amazing.
What's yours?
What did you do? Just played with it for a long time. I added a lot of water.
We're gonna go slowly. It's becoming to get less sticky.
This is so much fun. It's so pretty. It's pink party.
Pink party.
It can be called Popstar party instead.
Yeah! Let's stop and take a moment for y'all to like, subscribe, and share. And comment on the Facebook page, Kind of Keepers.
And also comment who you love best.
On our Facebook
My party pink.
Or
her
purple.
Or her shiny purple guitar thingy.
Whoa! Did you see that? That was so cool. We're gonna have to get in slow mode. Yeah.
And our scream in slow mode.
I need
4 extra arms.
no. I need activator.
I need 12 extra arms. For this.
Why do you need 12 extra arms?
Well, I can play with this slime even more.
There we go.
2 plus 12 equals 14. I can do the hardest math equation in 1 second. Tell me it.
I don't know what the hardest math equation is.
Do you? Look how party it is! That was a little smaller than the bigger one where we're going to... Yeah, but we can pop it.
Come on, little droplet. I need you. Those are just technically.
Horses! Oh, if you haven't seen Chowder, there's a funny one. Where this blue guy says
Ice cream!
No. Where it says hold your horses and then children's holding tiny horses. That's so funny. Well, you take the moon and you take the sun. You take everything that seems like that.
Yeah, I don't remember the rest. Bigger.
I'm gonna make a flat now.
This is so sticky.
Maybe it's my party stuff. What if I can make a bubble as big as this table? Well, you take the moon and you take the sun. You take everything that seems like that. There's this crazy lady and there's ice cream man that says
Ice cream!
and he just eats it and then he says and then he puts it in Rada's
Yes!
Rada don't know what his name is and the blue guy like what
It's okay.
oh my god
OMG.
OM cow
What
What
the
the
cow?
Bing, 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 bing.
Mine is jiggly slime and it's really watery, so it's really runny.
So, you want to see how to make a perfect Insta swirl? Watch this. Fold it, stretch,
It's like you're making
Fold.
taffy.
stretch, and now swirl.
You gotta hold it sometimes.
And this is how you make a perfect Insta swirl.
Let me get it all off my hands.
Let's start with the stretch, the bubble test. We know who's already won the bubble test, me, because I made the biggest bubble.
Well, no, not necessarily. No, I want to redo it. I want to redo that. I want to redo. You get 3 tries. Forgot to mention that. Once we do Instagram swirl, this is going to be really, really hard.
That was my bubble.
That's your confirmed bubble. That's my confirmed bubble. Okay, so comment on our Facebook page whose do you think is bigger.
Time for the Insta swirl one.
Oh, goodness. I'm not ready yet.
I'm getting ready.
It's so sticky.
Okay, you get 5 tries on, 4 tries on this, 2 tries on this.
No, 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 go, turn out correctly. No.
Look at mine.
Is
You
that
only get
confirmed one?
Yes. And you only get 2 tries. I'm going to do a bubble. I'm just going to do a fun bubble, not for the bubble test, because we already passed. I'm going to take one of these things out. The paper. The plastic.
That's my confirmed Instagram, I swear.
Now
click. Mine doesn't really click that much. Wait, let me see. Whoa. I say mine is clickier.
Mine. Yours is just... Okay, time for the
Stretch. I'm not ready. Farther.
Hey, hold this and stretch it out. I can't get out of the film. Hey, you teared it!
Yeah.
Tore it.
Okay. So, all you have to do is this.
Now you can do like this. If you want. And did you put it on the background? Background. Wait, first a little background pet.
And you up there.
And you up there.
Okay, so I'm still going for the stretch test. Hold on, wait. I have to get out of the film real fast. You'll see it coming soon.
Well, I have to get out of the film.
Woohoo! It's a party! It's a party! It's a party!
Look, what I can do from all the way up here.
There's like texture test. You go first, Evan.
Mine is super textury. It's cool. I didn't say
Cool
it.
looking.
Yes, and it really feels good because the poke fingers, you just never know when they poke you. And it feels really good because it's like a handful. Alright. Stretch. I'm stretching. Ambreen, grab this.
No, that's a VR stretch test. Wow.
That was so long. No tears, no nothing at all.
And somehow hers is really, like, stiff. I'm surprised. Wow.
When it's stiff, it's supposed to like tear instantly, like this, like that. But I just slowly. So if you stretch your slime slowly, if they're sticky, if they're really stretchy or not.
Well, guys, thanks for watching our Sister Kingdom Corner Popstar versus
Party video
versus Prank. Comment on our, and also comment on our Facebook page who you think won. Me. Love you guys. Love you. Choose kindness. Hashtag choose kindness on our Twitter and Instagram and
Facebook.
Facebook. And also follow us on YouTube.